Here's how to make $100 plus an hour online. Step 1, go to Google and type in respondent.io and click the first one. You'll be brought to a page just like this. Next, all you have to do is come up here and click respondents and click sign up on the new page. It's free to sign up. Follow the instructions, enter in your email address and your basic information, and now we can start getting paid. And there's many different things that we can actually do. So whatever you're good at, you can literally start making money doing. Check it out. If you're a woman with a child, you can make $10, and it only takes 10 minutes. Here's a task where all you have to do is share your opinions on your smartphone. It'll take 90 minutes, but you can see you'll make $150. Do you love to clean your home? You can make $50 for 30 minutes. And you can even search for specific keywords. So we'll type in gamer as an example. Here's a job that's seeking gamers to play anywhere. 60 minutes, you'll make $90. Make sure to like this video and follow me for more videos just like this.